purpose of pruning a rose is basically to take out any dead or diseased wood, also kind of shape up the bush for the next year. The bush will actually kind of tell you when it's time to be pruned. Usually when the bush starts shooting out anywhere from a quarter to a half inch is a good time to go ahead and prune it back. So what we want to do is start out with cleaning out any of the dead or diseased wood, such as this here. That's pretty much brown and dead. Any wood that's crossed over and conflicting with healthier wood, usually we try to clean out the center for air circulation. Make sure you get good clean cuts. Then whenever you're to the area of this four nice canes that we're going to leave, you want to cut to your outside eye for your hybrid teas. And that's pretty much your finished product.